NCERT both. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about ionic compound formation. I am going to read the problem before we can begin. An element X has atomic number 13. Another element Y has 8 as atomic number. Justify the formation of the compound between X and Y. Determine the compound's formula. State whether the compound conducts electricity either in molten, liquid state or in its aqueous solution. So let's start with X. X has atomic number 13 as per the question. About X, atomic number is 13. EC, or electronic configuration, is 2A3 KLM, which means there are 2 electrons in the K shell, 8 in the L shell, and 3 in the M shell. The cation formed after the loss of 3 valence electrons is X3+. This is the cation which is formed after loss of its 3 valence electrons. The valency is +3. That is, X is trivalent. X is trivalent. This is the valency. It is +3. Now X's chemical identity . X is a metal. Now we can go on to talking about our next compound, our atom, that is Y. Now, about Y. Y's atomic number is 8 as per the question. Atomic number 8. The electronic configuration, or EC, is 2,6Kl, which means there are 2 electrons in the K shell and 6 in the L shell. The anion formed after gaining 2 electrons, which is the lost electrons from previously what we had as X, those lost electrons, when Y gains 2 of them, then the anion formed is Y2-. This is the anion formed. Valency. Valency is -2. And Y's chemical identity is Y is a nonmetal. Over here, we can see that one atom of X loses 3 electrons. It loses its 3 valence electrons. And one atom of Y gains. Here it lost 3 electrons, and here it gains 2 electrons. This is what the information we have after we do analysis of X and Y. X loses 3 electrons, but Y gains 2 electrons. These numbers are unequal. What do we do now? We have to calculate the LCM of 3 and 2 to see number of atoms of X and Y needed to form this specific compound. But before that, just take a look at the analysis of Y. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. That means 2 atoms of X, 2 atoms of X will lose 6 electrons. Will lose 6 electrons. And 3 atoms of Y will gain, again, 6 electrons. 3 atoms of Y will gain 6 electrons. That means 2 atoms of X and 3 atoms of Y are necessary information of this compound, which tells us that X3 plus 2, Y2 minus 3 is formed, or Al3 plus 2, O2 minus 3 is formed. Now, we will justify the formation of the compound in between X and Y. But before that, you might take a look at these statements. From what we got previously, we can say that X2, Y3 is formed, or Al2O3 is formed. Now, next part of the question is, we have to state whether the compound conducts electricity in its molten state or in its aqueous state. And just to tell, here Al2O3 is an ionic compound. Al2O3 or X2Y3 is an ionic compound. Since the bond formed in between the oppositely charged ions is electrovalent. Electrovalent or ionic. The bond formed is an electrovalent or ionic bond. Hence, the compound Al2O3 or X2Y3 is an ionic compound, and Al2O3 in its molten or liquid state conducts electricity. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more episodes. Thank you.